During the Christmas season, singing Christmas songs gets you into an even more festive mood. Most songs have karaoke videos, but some don't. So let me show you how you can remove the vocals from the original song and create your own karaoke version. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. So I know you just can't wait to start singing, so I'll get right into it. But be sure to have the UniConverter 16 installed on your computer because you're going to need it. You can get it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Once you have it installed, open it up. First, we're going to use the vocal remover to separate the vocals from the instrumentals, and then we're going to turn it into a simple karaoke lyrics video. You'll find the vocal remover in the audio tools menu. This tool is very simple to use. So here in this window, you just need to import your audio or video file, and then the tool will immediately start processing it. After it has processed the file, you'll have the original song up here, and then you'll have the instrumentals and the vocals. You can download each of them. Now that we have our instrumental audio file, we'll have to turn this into a video. Now this will be very simple. Just open the converter tool, then import your audio file. As the output format, choose MP4. You can choose the resolution to be 1920 x 1080 or whatever else you'd like. I'm gonna use Full HD. And then select an output folder and start the process. After it's done, you'll have an MP4 video where the background is only going to be a plain black background, but that's okay, it's exactly what we need. As our final step, we're going to open the subtitle editor in the UniConverter. Now, we're going to cheat a little bit. First, we're going to import the original music video. Then we're going to click on the auto subtitle generator. This will create the subtitles automatically, the lyrics, if you will. When the auto subtitles are ready, you can go over them to check for accuracy, but the AI auto subtitle tool works with a very high accuracy, so it should be close to perfect. Now, click on export and save it as an SRT file. Okay, the second part of the final step is that again, open the subtitle editor and import your instrumental video instead. As you can see, after the audio to video conversion, this video has a plain black background, like I mentioned before, which is actually quite convenient for us. Now, import the SRT file you've just exported. The lyrics will be perfectly timed to our instrumental, so all you have left to do is to style your lyrics. You can really be creative with this, but make sure that they're easily readable. When you're done, click on export, and this time save it as a video file. And that's it. Now you have your instrumental lyrics video for your Christmas song, so all you have left to do is to sing it. Okay, if you liked this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Enjoy your holidays, and I'm going to see you in the next video.